Look what I made! My friends are coming over, so I recreate this creamy chicken rice that I saw online. The chicken is juicy and tender. The rice is creamy and full of flavor. I'm going to start with the chicken, using a chicken thighs. Cutting all the thigh in half. Adding seasoning, smoked paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder. Rub the chicken so the seasoning absorbs. Flip it, seasoning on the other side. Quick question, is this creamy chicken rice American or Asian cuisine? I will share the answer by end of this video. Rub it again. Frying the chicken. The chicken's ready. I decide to cut the chicken into cubes. Next, I'm going to make the rice, cutting the pepper first. Then saute the onion and garlic using the pan drip from the chicken. Rice, water, peppers. Cover the lid, low heat, cook about 15 minutes. Lastly, making the sauce. Saute the onion and garlic first, then adding the cream and seasoning. Oh no, I accidentally add too much pepper. Luckily, I'm able to scoop it out. Let it boil for another 2 minutes. Blend it until very smooth sauce. Rice is off the heat, mix the pepper and the rice together. The rice is ready, let's plate up. Today I'm using a cake mold to mold the rice, adding the chicken in the center. I would say this recipe is American fusion. The chicken is Western style, but the rice base is more Asian style. However, this is a very delicious dish. Wow, it's pretty and stunning. My friends are here. I gotta go. I will make more recipes like this. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.